guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about something little different. I recently attended networking event by TIE Delhi NCR in Noida, and honestly my experience was a mix of things. It was really something else which I was not comfortable with. And you know one thing, you walk into a room full of new people and you still not figure out where you fit in. That was me today. This has happened for the first time with me, but at the same time it was actually good, and I want to talk about why. The reason was I was doing this after a long time break. What I really appreciated about this event was intent behind it. People were genuinely interacting, they were helping each other, having conversations that were not just surface level but business pitches. They were discussing about financial year को मैनेज कैसे करें. I met one person, he was watching this, and thanks to him, who actually helped me out to understand how this whole networking thing at TIE Delhi works out. That one conversation made a difference, and the best part was nobody was selling their membership. No one did. No one was chasing me to buy a membership. No one was pushing to join and take that upgraded version. We were just simply focusing upon connecting people with people. And honestly, there was no one who actually told me about the membership. I was the first person to ask them, because usually when you go to these events, it's like, okay, that's about the catch and people are selling their membership and aggressive selling करते हैं. But here it felt like come meet people, build connections, rest is up to you. And really I loved it, even though I personally felt a little out of the place at the moment because I was doing it after a long time period. I still see the value. I still think if people were enjoying the meetup and building network or understanding different businesses, it is worth the experience. For me, it was a learning for not to skip networking events and do this as a continuous process. If you were ever been in networking events like this, let me know in comments, and do enjoy them whenever you are there. Follow for more content.